Adjunct Pam, and I work in student support with Adjunct Sarah. And together, we offer a series of workshops for all students that are aimed at increasing your English language proficiency, as well as teaching soft skills, 21st century skills. What is an example of a 21st century skill? Adjunct Sarah.
Critical thinking, collaboration, communication, creativity, problem solving, and leadership.
And how do we teach those skills?
We teach them through creative writing, reading stories and discussing them, watching movies and discussing them, playing games such as escape room, murder mystery game.
Awesome. That
Things
sounds
like that.
so fun. So I can learn and have fun at the same time.
Indeed.
Sign me up for that. How do I sign up for that?
Every Monday, we will put out a registration form on MS Teams for you to sign up for our Wednesday or Thursday workshops. You do need to join MS Teams.
Is there like a QR code or something for that?
There is a QR code.
Cool. So we just wanted to invite you for term 2 to our workshop series. We are beginning November 29th with a very special guest lecturer from ICDI who's going to introduce his book, and we're going to do a movie night. Okay, so we're going to watch an amazing science fiction film, Back to the Future. I understand that your instructors are encouraging you to attend, especially if you might need some extra credit. You might need a little bump in your points. So some ICDI lecturers have offered extra credit if you attend our workshops. How cool is that? It's pretty cool.